Welcome students. Welcome to your class Your Future YouTube channel. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe our channel. Today we will study about the first lesson of second standard EVS subject, that is Introduction of Animals. In this lesson we will study different kinds of animals. First heading is recognize these animals, write their names in the given box. Here the pictures of some animals are given and we have to recognize, means identify those animals and write their names in the box given. First one is dog. D-O-G, dog. The first picture is of dog. The next one is, yes, it is cow. C-O-W, cow. The third one is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. The third picture is of sheep. The fourth one is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. The fifth one is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. And the last one is ants. A-N-T-S. Let's repeat once again. Dog, cow, sheep, fish, crow and ants. Here the name, other animals and birds you have find in your locality, means you have to write the names of some other animals which you have seen around your house or in your surroundings. Let's move towards the next one. Write the names of some birds you have seen, means you have to write the names of some birds you have seen in your surroundings or in your locality. Let's start with the crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Second one is sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Third one is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Next one is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. And the last one is eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Let's repeat once again. Crow, sparrow, parrot, pigeon and eagle. Next question is, which is your favorite bird? Why? My favorite bird is peacock. Yes, my favorite bird is peacock because it has beautiful feathers, it looks colorful and it is our national bird. Let's repeat once again answer. Peacock is my favorite bird because it has beautiful feathers, it looks colorful and it is our national bird. Next is, observe the birds around you, identify their color, watch the characteristics of their body. Means you have to observe the different kinds of birds in your surroundings, their different colors and how they are. Means they are big or small, what kinds of wings they have, etc. you have to see and identify. Next, birds are animals with beak and wings. Means the special characteristics of bird is birds have beak and wings. Put grains to the birds. Keep water in a small plate. Means we have to feed the birds with grains and water. Observe and note the time when you find more birds. Next question is, have you seen an ant? Yes, we have all seen the ant. It is very small in size and it has 6 legs. Write the names of 3 creatures similar to an ant. Means we have to write the other 3 creature names which are same as ant. First one, bed bugs. The second one, beetles. And the third one, bees. Let's repeat once again. Bed bugs, beetles and bees. Here some pictures are given. Let's see. Write the names of the insects you find in these pictures. Here the 3 common insects which we see in our homes are given. We have to write the names of those insects in the place given below. First one is of, yes, commonly known, cockroach. COCKROACH. It is cockroach. The second one is mosquito. 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 Third one is grasshopper. Third one is grasshopper. 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 Once again, cockroach, mosquito, grasshopper. The body of these animals is small. These have 6 legs and a pair of feelers too. Have you not seen the legs and the feelers of mosquitoes and cockroaches? These are insects. Means the important characteristics of insects are these have 6 legs and pair of feelers and they are small in size. Write the names of few insects you have seen. Yes, we have to write the names of some insects which we have seen. First one, cockroach. Yes, cockroach are commonly seen everywhere. Second one, spider. Third one, ant. Fourth one, mosquito. Fifth one, grasshopper. Next one, butterfly, housefly, dragonfly, bedbug, beetle. Let's repeat once again the names of all these insects. Cockroach, spider, ant, grasshopper, butterfly, housefly, dragonfly, bedbug and the last one, beetle. In the next part, recognize the insects given in the following pictures. Match the names by drawing lines. I will repeat once again question. Recognize the insects given in the following picture. Match their names by drawing lines. Means here in the left side some pictures of the insects are given and the names of those are given in the right side. We have to match the picture with the correct name. First one is the picture of cockroach. So we will match it with the cockroach. Second one is mosquito. Third one is grasshopper. Fourth one is honeybee. Fifth one bedbug. Sixth one ant. Once again, first picture is of cockroach. Second one mosquito. Third one grasshopper. Fourth one honeybee. Fifth one bedbug. Sixth one ant. Draw the pictures. Take a sheet of paper or a notebook. Dip your thumb in red, yellow or blue paint. Create an impression of your thumb. Then draw the pictures of any animal that you like. Wash your hand neatly. Yes, children, do it in your notebook. Some pictures have been drawn here asking the impression of a thumb. Say how do they move. Means here some pictures of animals are given. You have to say how do they move from one place to another. First one is of snake. It moves by crawling. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. It moves from one place to another by crawling. Second picture is of owl. It moves by flying. Third one is of snail. It also crawls to move from one place to another. Fourth one is of picture of a tortoise or turtle. It walks from one place to another. Fifth one is of parrot. It flies to move from one place to another. And the last one is picture of fish. It swims in the water. Means the movement of snake is called crawl. The movement of owl is called fly. The movement of snail is called crawl. And the movement of tortoise is called walk. The movement of bird or parrot is called fly. And the movement of fish is called swimming or swim. Moving towards next part. Take different colors. Dip your thumb in the colors. Create fingerprints on a sheet of paper. Draw the picture from the fingerprint of a thumb. Wash your hands neatly after drawing the diagram. We have to draw the pictures using our thumb with the colors. Before that, we will move towards the movement of some other animals. Next, the picture of deer is given. It also walks. Next, sparrow. It flies. Next, frog. It hops. Next, the picture of chick or the baby bird is given. It flies. Next, the picture of housefly is given. It flies. And the last one, the picture of cat is given. It walks. Yes, the picture of snake is given. This is a snake. It is a crawling animal. The snake crawls from one place to another. Next one. Have you seen crawling animals? Tell the name of two such animals. These are crawling animals. Write their names in the given box. Here the pictures of two animals are given. We have to write the names of these animals in the boxes. First one is the picture of snail. S-N-A-I-L. snail. The next one is earthworm, EARTHWORM, earthworm. First picture is of snail and the second picture is of earthworm. These two also move from one place to another by crawling. The next heading is how do these animals move? Look at the pictures and draw lines to match. Here in the left side of the box, the pictures of some animals are given and their movements are given in the right side. We have to match the pictures with the movements. First one is the picture of eagle is given. Eagle flies, means the movement of eagle is called as flying. Next, the picture of frog is given. It hops from one place to another. Next, the third one is snake is given. As earlier said, it crawls for moving from one place to another. The next one, deer is given. It walks from one place to another. And the last one is fish. The movement of the fish is swimming, means swims. Let's repeat. Eagle flies, frog hops, snake crawls, deer walks, fish swims. Next heading is look at the following pictures, circle the odd ones. Here some of the pictures are given. From each line or each question, one picture does not belong to the group. We have to circle that one. See, let's see. In the first question, the picture of grasshopper, housefly, mosquito and cow are given. In this, we have to circle the cow because the other three are insects. Yes, the other three are insects and the cow does not belong to the group. So, we have to circle the cow. Next one is, yes, the rabbit does not belong to the group because the picture of parrot, crane, peacock and rabbit are given. All other three except rabbit are birds. Parrot, crane, peacock are birds and rabbit is an animal. In the third, the pictures of horse, sheep, crow and buffalo are given. Here the crow does not belong to the group, means it is odd one because other three are animals. In the fourth group of pictures, dog, snake, earthworm and snail are given. So here the dog is odd one because snake, earthworm and snail, these move by crawling while the dog walks. Yes, we will repeat the answers once again. In the first group, cow is the odd one. In the second question, rabbit is the odd one. In the third, crow is the odd one. And the last one, in the fourth question, dog is the odd one. So, we have solved this exercise. We will move towards the next heading. Write the names of the animals you have seen. Here, you have to write the names of the animals which you have seen. First one, flying animals. You have to write the names of 2 flying animals. First one, parrot. 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 Second one, sparrow. Parrot and sparrow, these are two flying animals. Next, crawling animals. First one, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. And the second crawling animal is earthworm. E-A-R-T-H-W-O-R-M, earthworm. Third one, walking animals. First one, cow. C-O-W, cow. Second one, deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Last one, insects. First insect is cockroach. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. And the second one, mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Let's repeat once again. Flying animals, parrot, sparrow. Crawling animals, snake, earthworm. Walking animals, cow, deer. Insects, cockroach and mosquito. You can write the names of other animals also. Birds and insects are also animals. Likewise, human beings also belong to the group of animals. Yes, birds and insects are also animals. Likewise, we all are also animals. Look at the pictures given below. The outer box has pictures of animals and their shadows are in the inner box. Match the animals with their shadows. Here, outside the box, the pictures of some animals are given and their shadows are given in the box. So, we have to match the shadows with the animals or the animals with their shadows. First one is of cat. Second one is deer. Third one is dog. Fourth one is tortoise. Fifth one is peacock. Sixth one is fish. Seventh one is elephant. Next one is cow. And the last one is rabbit. Let's move towards the next question. Write the names of the animals in the box given below. Color the pictures. Color the animals that walk with brown, birds
with yellow, and the crawling animals with blue, and lastly the insects with red. Once again, I'll repeat. Birds with yellow, animals with brown, crawling animals with blue, and lastly insects with red color. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and lastly don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Your Class Your Future. Thank you.